Okay, do you have children? That's I do.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
When you wake up in the morning, you feeling welcome back to my channel. What's up, Wagwan? It's your girl Neisha, of course. If you're new, welcome as well. And for today, I'll be doing a Q&A. Yes, a Q&A, questions, answers. Yeah, because I mean, been getting a lot of Instagram messages and people also asking me on Facebook Messenger, all over the place, all over the platform. I'm getting questions. So I just want to set the record straight. I did a shy one, so now I'm going to do one that is not so shy. All right, so what you know. Okay, so the first question, from a phone. So I'm going from all platform. What is your name? I say it in my intro. All right, my name is Neisha. It's not. So I understand what they're saying. It's not a nickname or anything like that. My nickname is actually Jazzy. So it's actually my real name. I am Neisha, by the way. Nice to meet you. The other question. Oh, how old are you? I'm 37 years old. Okay, when I said it to that, now I'm not 27, I'm not 28, I'm not 32, I'm 37 years old and I'm proud. Scorpio at that. Yeah, November girl. I don't want to feel like I'm rushing it. Yes, I am married. But I have to clear that up a bit. I am married, but going through a divorce. We're separated, yes, going through a divorce. So that, see there now, me not dating anyone at the moment, and I'm not looking to date anyone right now. I am dealing with me, so yeah, but and there is no reconciliation within my marriage because it's over. All right, so yeah, get that out of the way. Do you have children? Yes, I do. I have a child, a daughter. Her name is Jessica. You'll see her from time to time if you continue watching my videos. Yes, I do. Next question. What is your occupation? I'm a beauty therapist. Maybe in America you might see me as a cosmetologist, but I'm a beauty therapist. I do hair, makeup, skincare line. I used to do nails, acrylic extension, but I stopped. Yeah, and focusing on hair. That's my passion within the industry, hair and makeup. But hair, most of all, I will not eat and do hair all day. So the next one, what is your favorite sport? Wow, I can choose between. I have a lot of sports that I would say my favorites. I love me so I love cricket. Cricket is my passion, you know. Yeah, I love cricket and I love basketball. So for me, I can't choose between the two of them. We can't choose. All right, we can't choose that one day. Next question, and I love football by the way. Manu is my side. Yeah, but cricket is the most on top than basketball. So I can't choose out to any one of those. What is your favorite dish? Seriously? If you choose again, I can't choose out of that either because I love stewed peas. When I say stewed peas, I mean with pigtail. Stewed beef and peas, of course, and some shelly rice and some pineapple juice with a little bit of ginger in it. And I mean, I'm a foodie. But I love jerk pork, stewed peas. I can't choose. I love pork. So, yeah. I'm not going to answer any more of those questions. So next time for next Q&A, of course, I'm going to come up with the other one. I want to say a big thank you for those who helped me to let me get it to 170 subscribers. I appreciate it. Thank you. It's me. I'll be giving you a fun pack. Have a great day and walk good.